Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Bank of America. First, you have to log into your PayPal account with your PayPal account credentials. After logging in, you must need to click on transfer button. You will find at the middle of your bottom side of your screen. Then you just need to simply click on transfer button and you will find some methods, that some withdrawal method or transfer method available on PayPal. And the first one is to a bank account options. You just need to simply click on that, and then you must need to link your Bank of America account with your PayPal account. For this, you have to enter the credentials of your Bank of America account, like your account holder name, your account number, and the bank like you want to transfer money. So you have to choose Bank of America in PayPal account, and then you must need to select the type of your account. Like if it's business, then you can go with business, or if it's personal or savings account, then you can simply click on personal. Then you just need to simply click on link your bank, and after successfully link your bank, you can transfer money from your PayPal to your Bank of America account. You just need to click onto a bank account and you will find the linked bank account of Bank of America. Then you just can then you just need to select that account, and you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from your PayPal to your Bank of America account. Then you have to go through a security process. You have to enter the passcode of your PayPal account that you have set for your account. After that verification, you can get a transaction receipt from PayPal. It may prompt like your transaction is on processing, and it might take some times, like 1 to 3 business days to transfer to process the transaction. Then you will get the money to your bank account. After a successful transaction, you will get notified by PayPal and your bank account from the both platform. And that's how you can transfer your money from your PayPal account to your Bank of America account. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.